Hey guys, well, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Life of Claire. If you're new here, hi, my name is Clarissa, and Claire is just a different way to say my name. Today, if you're wondering like what the heck just happened, well, my lovely husband forgot to push the record button.
I said I'm sorry.
So yeah, I just stopped what I was doing, but I'll walk you through what I did in just a moment. If you're new here, please be sure to follow me on all my social media links. They'll be listed down below. You're gonna be hearing some thunder and lightning behind me, which is why this video is gonna be just a little bit different. I'm gonna have music play on top. I'm gonna be kind of just jamming out to my own music and just, you know, getting into the creative flow. This looks gonna be a little bit more avant-garde, a little bit more abstract. So if you're into that, go ahead and keep watching. And if you're not, keep watching anyways. But yeah, without further ado, let me tell you what I did really fast. All I did was prime my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape really quickly. I set it with the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in 01 Light. And then right now I'm going in with a Sephora Pro Tapered Crease Brush. And with the BH Taking to Brazil palette, I'm just going to use this shade right here and was buffing that in the crease and kind of dragging it out. And now you're all caught up.
Audio Jungle.